Alright, I think the chickens are a little upset over this guy. I might stop filming right now and release him. Okay, here we got the bunny. I'll zoom in on that in a second. He was in the fence. I think he's fine. If he doesn't hop right, we may have to get him looked at. I'm going to give him a second there while I walk back over to the fence. He's not hopping right. He was stuck right in there, and I cut the wire. He turned around and jumped right into there, and I had to cut the wire to get him back out. And don't know where, but gone. So I'm assuming it took just a bit of rest and got away pretty good. Glad it wasn't a trip to the animal rescue.